Dear students, in this example, charge of proton and electron are slightly differ. One of them is minus E and another is E plus delta E. Net electrostatic force and gravitational force on hydrogen atom is 0. Find out the order of delta E. We have proton and electron separated by some distance, let's say d. So what is the net charge on both? So net charge Q net is equal to charge of proton plus charge of electron. Okay, for proton it is E plus delta E. For electron it is minus E. So it is delta E. Net charge is delta E. Net electrostatic force and gravitational force on the hydrogen atom is 0. So what is the electrostatic force between delta E and delta E charge? Okay, for hydrogen atom. Separation is D. So electrostatic force I am writing Fe is equal to K delta E square divided by D square, and the gravitational force it is G, mass of hydrogen atom, and its square divided by D square. So we can simply compare K delta E square divided by D square is equal to G, mass of hydrogen square, and D square. D square cancel. We need to calculate delta E. So write the equation in the form of delta E. It is G divided by K. The value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Mass of hydrogen atom is given. It is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 and its square. Okay. Divided by K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Delta E square. So multiply this all and find the square root. So delta E will be in the form of 1.437 into 10 to the power minus 37, and unit is coulomb. Delta E in the order of 10 to the power minus 37. So option C is the correct answer.